Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing this super natural wavy curly hair look, y'all. This wig is full parting space, but I decided I wanted to go straight curly with some fire baby hair. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. So let's do a quick unboxing. So Ashimary sent me a few things. They sent me a curling iron, they sent me a ball cap, lashes, an edge brush, and this cute little bag, y'all. This is so cute. I'm not gonna lie, they really stepping it up with the gifts nowadays, because what? Then they sent me this 24-inch water wave wig, but this wig has the 4C edges, y'all. I was really excited about trying this. So I was like, y'all know I love my water wave hair, but I really had to see what this was about. So we about to get straight into it. I also appreciate that this wig was super full. I'm talking super full, 250 density full, and then on top of that it had full parting space, as you guys just saw. So y'all, I was really excited about trying this, especially because I'm trying to 4C edges for the first time, but I definitely figured it was worth a try, especially because it's close to my natural edges, so you know we gotta represent, okay, period. But I do want to say this before I allow y'all to just finish watching the video and enjoying. Y'all know when I say when you're plucking your hair, you should part your hair in the style that you want before you go in with the plucking. And I did do that, but I feel like I wasn't accurate with the center, which is my fault, and I overplucked the center of the center part, literally right in front. And although that could give like more of a natural look, it still scared me, because I was like, oh my god, like I don't want it to look bald, because it can go from looking real natural to just, girl, it's just bald. Like you just, you know, you overthinking it, it's just bald. So I was really scared, but you always could do a quick fix. I like to use a Sharpie. You could use a few other things, but I feel like a Sharpie is like a safer, your best bet, because you have more creative control and just control overall. When you use certain different products with different types of formulas and textures and stuff, it could get messy, especially like the black spray. If you don't do it right, you got a big black stain on your lace. If you use the I think it's the Maybelline gel or something like that, I forgot the name of it, but that can literally oversaturate and just stain your lace really bad as well, and it's hard to get out. And then on top of that, the Sharpie just helps for way better precision. Like I feel like I'm kind of using an eyebrow pencil, if you know, just to say the least. Other than that, y'all know we are using Even today to install this wig. So I guess you can say a glueless install, even though it's like a lace adhesive spray. It's still glueless, but it's more firm than glueless. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, other than that, enjoy this video, and we will come back at the end to wrap it all up, child. so this is the final look, and what do we think? Look at these baby. Look at these baby hairs. Y'all know I'm gonna give y'all a close up, so don't even worry about it. But look at these baby hairs, child. I love that I wasn't too heavy with the hot comb because it just kind of gives like a natural curl look instead of like a super laid type of situation. Besides the baby hairs, of course, because I had to add my little, you know. But other than that, it came out very beautiful. Let's look at the back. Very nice and full. Okay. Shout out to Ashimary for sending me this wig, or Ashimary. Shout out to them for sending me this wig, y'all. I'm all over the place. But let me know down below in the comments what y'all think, what y'all would have done better, what y'all would have did different. This is a full parting space wig, so yes, I can do literally whatever I want with this wig, but I just felt like I wanted to do a nice natural curl for some reason. First of all, it's HD, so that's number one. And I just wanted to give baby hairs instead of a curly style. You know, we done seen kind of it all, but the baby hairs, it's like a sneaky baby hair type of situation. Plus, I did want to kind of see what it would look like if I wasn't hot combing the edges and pressing this down so flat and just letting the hair be its own main character. You know what I'm saying? So let me know what y'all think down below in the comments, how y'all feeling about this look. Like if you like this video, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from moi. Oh, and by the way, if y'all want me to start back talking throughout videos and giving like an actual like tutorial, make sure y'all let me know, because I want to get back into making my hair videos way more interesting and way more like, you know, worth the watch. So let me know if that's something that y'all want to see. And other than that, I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.
So don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now.